Hello students, we have completed practice set 24 question number 1 and from that question I had given some examples, few examples as a homework to you. I hope you have completed it. Now let's move towards the word problems. On SCF and LCR there are word problems. So now question number 2 I will read. If large square beds of equal size are to be made for planting vegetables on a plot of land 18 meters long and 15 meters wide, what is the maximum possible length of each bed? Now here, in this example, see students, at the end they ask maximum. What they ask? Maximum possible length of each bed. Whenever like this word will be there, maximum, that time you have to find out the SCF. Okay, so how do the solution? So you have to note first here. I will start. In order to find the maximum possible length, of bed, we should find the SCF. What we have to need to find here? Maximum is highest common factor of. Now which two numbers are given here? 18 meters long and 15 meters wide. So these two numbers SCF we have to find. Which two numbers? 18 and 15. Okay. See, in word problem, if you find the name maximum, that time you have to find the SCF of that two numbers which will be given in the example. So starting you have to write, in order to find the maximum possible length of bed, we should find the SCF of 18 and 15. And then you have to find out the factors of 18. You have to find first factors of 18. So tell me first now. Here 1, always 1 should be there, then 2, then 3, 6, 9 and 18 are the factors of 18. Even you have to find the factors of 15. So factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. After that, what we find? Common factors. So which are the common factors here? 1 and 3. So 1 and 3. Then which is the highest common factor? Is the 3. So HCF is the 3. And this will be your answer. So final answer you will write as the maximum possible length of each bed is 3 meters. See, though the example is big, but in the example they ask what will be the maximum possible. Whenever maximum possible word will be there, you need to find the SCF of that two numbers, and whatever SCF will come, that will be the answer. So this example you need to copy in your notebook. First you will write the example, that means question, and this only answer I have given. Okay. See the question number 3. Two ropes, one 8 meters long and the other 12 meters long, are to be cut into pieces of the same length. What will be the maximum possible length of each piece be? Again they ask what will be the maximum possible length. Again you have to write, in order to find what need to find? The maximum possible length of of what they ask? Each piece. Each piece. What we need to find? We should find the HCF of. We should find the HCF of which two numbers are given in the example? They are 8 and 12. 8 and 12. Okay. So let us find the factors of 8. So factors of 8 are 1, 2, then 4 and 8. Even the factors of what we need to find? 12. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And from that we need to find again common factors. Common factors. So which are the common here? 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4. And therefore the highest common factor is 4. So therefore final answer will be the maximum possible length. The maximum possible length of each piece is 4. 4 is what? Meter. You can give the unit also. 4 meters. Okay. So like this way we have to find out the HCF of the two numbers, and whatever HCF will be there, that will be its final answer. Okay. So next examples we will see in next video.